Hello children, welcome to Narayana Live Classes. Today we are going to discuss the assignment key for the class 8th standard. The topic is about polar region. The date 26th June 2020. So coming to the question children, how do the people of Tundra get light in winter? Yeah. Earlier, in the previous session, we discussed that as the lighting which has been emitted from the sun are observed by the stars. So, from the stars, the lighting is going to be taken on the polar regions. Here, the thing is about the people. So, as we discussed earlier that the shelters like igloos and the houses which are made up of the bones of the seal or the whales and where it is totally covered with the skin of a seal. Is it clear, children? So, in the interior part, how the lights are going to be taken in the sense, here we have the answer that is about seal oil lamps. So, from this, they are getting about the heat, a little bit heat and light. We may have a doubt, seal oil lamps. The oil which has been made up of or made by the seal. Is it clear? Seal is a animal. Is it clear, children? Seal oil lamps where they are getting about the heat and at the same time light. Who are all those? Those are Eskimos. Clear, children? Yeah. We are moving to the next question. Coming to the second question, children. Why do you think people probably always did not live in Tundra region? It's a very important question, children, even though it is a repeated. Clear, children? Once again, I am repeating the question. Why do you think people probably always did not live in Tundra region? Yes, coming to the answer. As earlier we discussed that, the sunlight, the half of the portion is covered where for 6 months, whenever the people in the polar regions are receiving about the sunlight for 6 months, we call it as summer. Completely for 24 hours the day will be there. In the sense, the area is totally about light. And whereas the remaining for 6 months, and remaining 6 months, it is completely about the winter season, completely darkness. So because of that, the people probably always did not live in Tundra region. If there is completely darkness, it is somewhat difficult for the people for irrigation, cultivation, about the shelter and also their survivalance. Is it clear, children? That is the reason. Only for 6 months when they have about the sunlight, where it is about the daylight, the people are able to stay in polar regions. For the remaining next 6 months, the people are migrating to the nearby areas. What are the nearby areas here? Nearby areas are the nearby countries. Example we discussed earlier, the continents which are near to the polar region are about North America, where we can find about the Greenland, where we can find about the Alaska, and coming to the Europe, we can find about the Finland. So for these areas, the people may be probably migrating as a regular work for 6 months. Clear, children? We are moving to the next question now. mention some popular recreational activities. Some popular recreational activities of Eskimos. So before going to the answer, let's have a glance. The question again. Mention some popular recreational activities of Eskimos. What is the meaning of a recreational? Refreshment. Yeah, children. While we are in the schooling, when we get about the holidays like Dasra vacation, Diwali, yeah, and any time of the occasions, dear children, what we are planning? If we take an example of the summer season, the people show interest to migrate from southern part to northern part because of cool temperature, as they are not able to bear the high temperature here. In the sense for refreshment. For refreshment. Here the recreational activities. What are the recreational activities? Here they have wrestling, racing, harpoon throwing contest and other various activities. Is it clear? So the recreational activities of the Eskimos are wrestling, racing, harpoon throwing and more. Clear, children? We are moving to the fourth question. Coming to the fourth question, children. What is meant or meant by taboo? I repeat the question, children. What is meant by taboo? Taboo means forbidding certain activities. What are all the certain activities here? The certain actions such as eating a particular kind of food. Clear? Forbidding certain actions. For example, eating a particular type of food. Is it clear? A constant pattern. Is it clear, children? So eating a particular type of food is called as taboo. Is it clear, children? We are moving to the last question. Coming to the fifth question. What is harpoon? Harpoon is a weapon where the people in polar regions, who are all those people? Eskimos. Where the people in polar regions are supposed to use to hunt the animals, especially about the seals. It's called as harpoon. A weapon used to hunt the animals. Bracket C. Here one of the important note we have to is about harpoon is a weapon which is made up of a bone of a seal itself. Is a clear children? It's a too strong, and where the people used to hunt with this weapon named as harpoon. I repeat the question again. What is harpoon? A weapon used to hunt the animals, especially like seals. The weapon is called as harpoon. Clear, children? I hope you enjoyed the session. Have a nice day. Thank you.